Ellanse is also one of our advanced medical treatments in the category of regenerative treatments, as it works through collagen stimulation. Collagen is the very substance or protein that holds our skin together and also gives all the plumpness and the freshness to the skin. But unfortunately, as we grow older, collagen diminishes and therefore sagging of the skin appears, as well as lines and wrinkles. Ellanse is caprolactone, which is a very strong collagen stimulant, and the result itself is long-lasting for up to 2 years. It is an injectable. It's injected in various areas of the face, for example, hollows in the temples, on the cheekbone, on the jawline, on the chin, and volumizing the face in general by creating freshness and radiance as in youth. The treatment itself doesn't take very long to do, anything between half an hour to 45 minutes. The amount of material, of course, is judged by any of our medical professionals in order to suit your needs, so it's individual need actually that we assess. A lot of patients will ask, what is the difference between your regenerative treatments? For example, you talked about one product as a regenerative treatment and about another product as well as collagen stimulants. The difference is usually the time frame. Some of them will give you results for 12 months plus, but others will give you results for up to 2 years. So the difference is really timing and results and effectiveness in terms of how long they're going to last over time. The downtime is minimal. Of course, there can be a little bit of swelling and lumpiness, but you can go back to your normal activities of daily life immediately, and there's going to be minimal downtime. The pain itself is not an issue because we use anesthetics, topical usually, just to make sure that you're going to be comfortable in our premises and during the procedure. Thank you.